Imagine a world beneath our feet, a hidden dimension where ancient life forms engage in a silent, intricate dance of communication and cooperation. It's a world far more complex and interconnected than we ever dared to imagine. A subterranean superhighway of information and resources buzzing with activity. This is not science fiction. It is the breathtaking reality of the Wood Wide Web, a concept that has revolutionized our understanding of forests and the very definition of life on Earth. Prepare to have your perception of nature transformed forever as we delve into the secret lives of trees and the astounding ways they communicate underground. For centuries, humanity viewed trees as solitary, stoic giants, competing fiercely for sunlight, water, and nutrients. The forest, in our minds, was a battleground, a harsh arena where only the fittest survived. But what if this deeply ingrained perception was fundamentally flawed? What if, beneath the peaceful canopy, an entire hidden society thrives, bound together by an invisible network of astonishing complexity? What if trees, those seemingly isolated individuals, are actually members of a vast, interconnected community, sharing resources, sending warnings, and even nurturing their young? The journey into this hidden realm begins not with the mighty oak or the towering redwood, but with a microscopic marvel: fungi. Specifically, a type of fungi known as mycorrhizal fungi. These aren't the mushrooms you see popping up after a rain. Those are just the fruiting bodies. The true genius of these organisms lies beneath the soil, in a vast, intricate network of thread-like structures called mycelia. These mycelial threads form a literal web, an underground matrix that can stretch for miles beneath a single forest. The profound discovery, championed by visionary scientists like Dr. Suzanne Simard, revealed that these fungal networks are not merely passive bystanders in the forest ecosystem. Instead, they act as the biological internet of the plant kingdom. They form a crucial symbiotic relationship with nearly all plants, including trees. In this remarkable partnership, the fungi penetrate the root cells of trees or grow around them, creating a direct, living connection. It's a deal where both parties benefit immensely, a prime example of nature's elegant efficiency. From the tree's perspective, the fungi are unparalleled prospectors. The mycelial network, with its incredibly fine threads, can explore vast volumes of soil far more efficiently than tree roots alone. This allows the fungi to access crucial resources like phosphorus, nitrogen, and water that would otherwise be beyond the reach of the tree. Think of it as an underground superplumbing system, drawing vital nutrients from the most remote corners of the forest floor and delivering them directly to the tree's roots. In return for this invaluable service, the trees provide the fungi with something they cannot produce themselves: sugar. Trees, through the marvel of photosynthesis, convert sunlight into energy, storing it as carbohydrates. The fungi, lacking chlorophyll, cannot perform photosynthesis, so the trees generously share a portion of their sugary bounty, fueling the fungal network and allowing it to grow and expand. It's a perfect exchange, a delicate balance of give and take that sustains both organisms. This fundamental exchange is the bedrock of the Wood Wide Web, but the story goes much deeper than simple nutrient trading. The true marvel of this underground network lies in its capacity for communication. Imagine a tree under attack from an insect pest. This tree, sensing danger, can release chemical signals, alarm calls, through the mycorrhizal network. These signals travel through the fungal threads to neighboring trees, effectively warning them of the impending threat. Upon receiving these warnings, the recipient trees can then ramp up their defenses, producing defensive chemicals or altering their growth patterns, preparing themselves before the pests even arrive. It's an early warning system, a biological battlefield intelligence network operating silently beneath our feet. But the communication isn't limited to distress signals. Trees can also share vital resources with each other, acting as a collective rather than isolated individuals. If one tree is thriving in abundant sunlight, it might send excess carbon, those precious sugars, through the fungal network to a shaded sapling struggling to photosynthesize. Conversely, a tree stressed by drought might receive water from a healthier, well-hydrated neighbor. This remarkable altruism, this act of sharing beyond species boundaries, paints a vivid picture of a forest that functions as a superorganism, a cooperative community where the health of one contributes to the resilience of all. This profound interconnectedness challenges our anthropocentric view of intelligence. While trees don't possess brains or nervous systems in the way animals do, their ability to communicate, share, and adapt collectively through these fungal networks suggests a form of distributed intelligence, a forest-wide consciousness. It's a humbling thought, forcing us to reevaluate what we consider to be intelligent life and how it manifests in the natural world. The Wood Wide Web reveals a level of complexity and sophistication that rivals any human-made network. One of the most captivating aspects of the Wood Wide Web is the concept of mother trees. Dr. Simard's groundbreaking research identified these large older trees as central hubs within the mycorrhizal network. They are the matriarchs of the forest, often hundreds of years old, with extensive root systems and vast connections to the fungal network. These mother trees act as crucial conduits, connecting dozens of other trees, including their own offspring. Through these powerful connections, mother trees can preferentially send nutrients, water, and even defense signals to their kin, ensuring the survival and growth of the next generation. It's a form of parental care, an intergenerational transfer of wisdom and resources that ensures the long-term health and resilience of the entire forest ecosystem. Imagine a grandmother deeply rooted in her community, providing guidance and support to her children and grandchildren, ensuring their well-being. The mother tree embodies this same nurturing spirit, but on a grand ecological scale. The destruction of these mother trees through logging or forest fragmentation has devastating consequences for the entire network. When a mother tree is removed, the intricate web of connections it sustained can collapse, leaving younger trees vulnerable and disrupting the flow of vital resources. This understanding has profound implications for sustainable forestry and conservation efforts, highlighting the critical importance of preserving old-growth forests and their ancient, interconnected guardians. The revelations of the Wood Wide Web force us to reconsider our relationship with nature. No longer can we see forests as mere collections of individual trees, valuable only for timber or land. Instead, we must recognize them as complex, intelligent, and deeply interconnected communities, deserving of respect, protection, and a deeper understanding. This network is a testament to the power of cooperation over competition, a natural model for sustainable living and collective well-being. The Wood Wide Web is a constant reminder that there is always more to discover, more secrets hidden beneath the surface of our familiar world. It's a call to humility, urging us to listen more closely to the whispers of the forest, to observe with greater care, and to recognize the profound intelligence that permeates the natural world. This invisible world challenges us to expand our definition of life, communication, and community, revealing an intricate tapestry of existence far richer than we ever dared to imagine. Every step we take in a forest, every breath of fresh air we inhale, is a testament to this incredible, hidden world.
The rustling leaves above, the firm earth beneath, are all part of a single, magnificent, living system, fueled by the silent whispers and shared resources of the wood wide web. It's a system that has thrived for millennia, demonstrating resilience, adaptability, and a fundamental understanding of interconnectedness that we are only just beginning to grasp. So, the next time you find yourself surrounded by trees, take a moment to pause. Look beyond the individual trunks and branches. Imagine the bustling metropolis beneath your feet, the intricate network of fungi and roots silently exchanging information, sharing resources, and nurturing life. Feel the quiet hum of cooperation, the pulse of a hidden intelligence, and the profound interconnectedness that binds all living things. This journey into the wood wide web is more than just a scientific exploration. It's an invitation to shift our perspective, to see the world with new eyes, and to appreciate the profound wisdom embedded in nature's design. It's a story of survival, of community, and